Welcome back to your Saturday Sports Special. Now, Jamaica will be looking to rebound from their loss to the Bahamas on Thursday night and book their place in the final round of FIBA Basketball World Cup qualifying when they take on Canada at the National Indoor Sports Centre on Sunday. More in this report.
Felt like us. And when I say that, I mean we played with a togetherness that allows us to overcome some of those mistakes. And one of the things in Puerto Rico that was really good was that communication. And tonight, it wasn't there. And it was really hard to try to find how to push the right buttons, but we need to get it figured out before the 5th-ranked team in the world comes in.
You know, watching the game over, seeing where we went wrong, as Coach said, on defense, with our energy, with things that we could control. And we just got to take it upon ourselves and not point fingers and point the finger back at ourselves and take accountability and just be better. I mean, there's no other thing. We came here to win. We all left wherever we was at to come here, and we just got to figure out how to